Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I took my hair from a twist out to this straightened or semi-straightened hairstyle. I'll be using two Conair products today. Firstly is this blow dryer, which is super old, but I've been looking for it for about a month now. So I'm really excited that I was finally able to find it on Sears. So it's fresh out the box. I'm just going to go ahead and get the little foil thing off and get it started. And it does come with these argan oil strips, and it has instructions on the back as far as putting them on and taking them off. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide the strips into that slot, and they're actually really oily. They're pretty stiff and they don't feel super oily, but when you're done you can feel it on your fingers. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. Being that my hair was already in sections from the twist out, I'm just gonna follow that. I'm just gonna take the twist out and do like each piece of the twist out, and I'll go from there. Initially I was just gonna use the oil that was on the strip because my hair was already kind of moisturized, but as I started to blow dry my hair, I realized that it was dry. So I later on decided that I was going to go ahead and use my oil moisturizer from Cream of Nature before I blow dry my hair. And I'm really happy that I did that because it definitely made a difference as far as the blow dry gliding through. If you guys want a more in-depth review of the blow dryer as far as pros and cons and things like that, just like this video or leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do that. But it was definitely worth every penny. I only got it for like maybe $30. I paid $40 overall as far as shipping and everything goes. So this is a pretty affordable blow dryer compared to the other ones that's out on the market right now, because even when I went to Ulta, the blow dryers were at least starting at $40 or $50. So $20 is not half bad. And one thing that I did realize about the blow dryer is that you have to really push it into your hair. I was kind of being a little shy with it initially and kind of just like, I was putting my hair in it, but I was gliding it through. You really have to use it like a comb and like really push it through your hair. And that's the way to get the best results. So now I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in so that you guys can see the shine that argan oil is leaving on there. It's really pretty. And that is it. I'm now going to go ahead and speed up the process because it's pretty repetitive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you watched my last video, you know that I said I cut my hair into a bob about 2 years ago or so. So here I'm just showing you guys how much my hair has grown, and honestly I was shocked because I haven't straightened my hair in a really long time and I didn't realize that it grew this much. It's kind of crazy.
what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Bring me what you want it. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Bring me what you want it. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money.
Yeah. 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 ASAP. Guess who just came up from the land of milk and honey where the thing bug? Straight to Mac 11 to a nigga spring up. And the snakes in the grass cause the bitch ain't cut. That link on that tuss, it be up in my club. Slinging that drugs, it's no stretching, no club. 4 gold chain, same color was the slugs of the chain with a plate say don't give up.
Be on that block, be on that stoop. Tryna get cash for the coupe, get cash for the coupe. Got dash in the loop, might spaz on your troop. Cause that's what I do, all fashionable with a bad bitch or two. All of my tools, all of my jewels, man, I'm awfully cool. All of these dudes watching all of our moves, I'm off in these fools.
Henny in my cup, half a blunt in my jaws. Said fuck court, now I'm running from the law. Paid the attorney, I give a fuck about the charge. Think the hoes Matlock, way to get a nigga off. Feeling like Kurt Cobain, black bitch love cocaine. Learn my tricks from the dope game. Young and high, die trying get rich. Paul Kelly really think that I could fly in this bitch.
Blowing her nose, got crack in the stove. House full of girls, you know my flaws. Real ass nigga to the burn in my drawers. Pussy ass nigga get the full clip, y'all. Rich ass nigga, house got 8 dogs. 2 cars, 4 cars, that's 8 bras. Fly young nigga with the blast out on. She loving my music, she singing my song.
Bang 'em.
Get Halle Berry when I spray him. Dump him in that garbage, I was losing Isaiah. Ah, damn. Young Fergie turned into a Satan. Got you laying dead, motherfucker. Better say your prayers, AK him. In the dirt you be laying. Mama gonna be crying when she hear the preacher singing. He be singing like, welcome to the crossroads. Bang him, pull the trigger, middle finger when you hear them shots ring.
Brand new shoes, that's Prada. New crib out in Cali, smoking marijuana with my niggas like I oughta. Hey, Sat, remember that? Now my niggas about to blow like propane. Yeah, I talk about rap like I talk about rap, but it's only cause I'm flossing. Take it up another notch, see they like that sound, it's so amazing.
So as I get to the top of my head, I really wanted to have a flip factor. So as I went to the top, I started to curve it, but it didn't really stay. So now I'm gonna like go back over it and really curve the flat iron, as you can see. And that's gonna create a bump effect within the front of my hair. And whether I flip it from one side or to the other, I'll have this nice pretty curl. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap my hair now and get ready for bed. There's really no method to the madness. I pretty much just part it really low, either left or right. And the reason why I part it so low is because I want a majority of the hair to be able to wrap around and flip over. And then I just pretty much wrap it around my head. I try and keep that cone shape so that when it falls down, it looks really pretty. And I just hold it until I can get it all the way around. And being that my hair is so thick and so dense, it's kind of hard to wrap because the hair doesn't just lay into one another. So what I'll do is just end up taking my scarf and putting it on for the hair that is cooperating, and then I go ahead and just tie the scarf like regular, but I don't tie it too tight. I leave a little bit of space for my hand to get up in there, and I just go ahead and slide the rest of the hair into the scarf. And after that is when I'll go ahead and do the final tight pull to make sure that
girls, you know my flaws. Real ass nigga to the burn in my drawers. Pussy ass nigga get the full clip, y'all. Rich ass nigga, house got 8 dogs. 2 cars, 4 cars, that's 8 bras. Fly young nigga with the blast out on. She loving my music, she singing my song.
Bang 'em.
Get Halle Berry when I spray him. Dump him in the garbage, I was losing Isaiah. Ah, damn. Young Fergie turned into a Satan. Got you laying dead, motherfucker. Better say your prayers, AK him. In the dirt you be laying.